Good morning, students. Children, today we are going to learn skip counting. All the children love to do skipping with the rope, isn't it? What do you do in skipping? Tell me, what do you do in skipping? I will answer this question. You jump over the rope. We do the same with the number when we skip counting. To skip count, you add the same number over and over, means again and again. Okay? Children, do you know what is the purpose of skip counting? Skip counting helps student to see patterns in numbers. See here. Here is pattern of number. Okay. Let us begin with skip counting by twos. Are you ready? See children. Here is number 2 and we want to skip with 2. What number we get when we count by twos? For this, count your 2 fingers after 2. After 2, count your 2 fingers. 3, 4. Okay. We get number 4. Then again count your 2 fingers. 5, 6. Which number we get? 6. Again count your 2 fingers. 7, 8. We get number 8. Now again count your 2 fingers. 9, 10. 10 number. After 10, count your 2 fingers. 11, 12. After 12, count your 2 fingers. 13, 14. After 14, count your 2 fingers. 15, 16. After 16, count your 2 fingers. 17, 18. After 18, count your 2 fingers. 19, 20. Did you understand how to skip counting by 2? Okay. See children, here is pattern in numbers. Next example. Here we will be skip counting by 3. Here is number 3 and we want to skip with 3. What number we get when we want to count by 3? For this, we count our 3 fingers because here skip counting by 3. So, count your 3 fingers after 3. 4, 5, 6. We get number 6. Then again count your 3 fingers after 6. 7, 8, 9. Count your 3 fingers after 9. 10, 11, 12. Count your 3 fingers after number 12. 13, 14, 15. Count your 3 fingers after 15. 16, 17, 18. Count your 3 fingers after 18. 19, 20, 21. Count your 3 fingers after 21. 22, 23, 24. Count your 3 fingers after 24. 25, 26, 27. Count your 3 fingers after 27. 28, 29, 30. Did you understand how to skip counting by 3? Okay. Next example. See children, number line is drawn on the blackboard and 33 to 50 numbers are written on it. See children, one question is given here. Rupa takes forward jumps in 5s. How many jumps Rupa takes? 5s. Starting from 32. Rupa takes forward jumps in 5s starting from 34. How many jumps should she take to reach the number 49? Let us start. How many jumps Rupa wants to take? Good. 5 jumps. Starting from 34. Means count your 5 fingers after 34. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Which number we get? 39. Okay. Then after 39, count your 5 fingers. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. We get number 44. Then again count your 5 fingers after 44. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Means, now tell me, how many jumps should she take to reach the number 49? Count these jumps. 1, 2, 3. How many jumps? 3 jumps. Means, Rupa should take 3 jumps to reach the number 49. Understood? Children, in this session, you all have learned how to do skip counting. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye.